sound like the chopper coming. Yeah. This is what I'm talking to you about, you know. Rasta move according to his energy. Bam! Here it is right here, guys. On this beautiful day or afternoon or night, whichever time you're watching this video right now, and we are back at it again, up in the hills underneath the mango tree and the breadfruit tree in Rasta's kitchen. Rasta's right there. He got up early this morning and got some ackee, and look like probably 6 dozen ackee right there. What's on the menu for today, man?
What we don't see on the menu today is like we don't watch how the nature flow, because morning just starts. So we don't prepare anything we get from the nature, then later we know how we go cook. You know, because hunting we just come after.
Okay.
We go hunt. So
okay.
We soon know how we go cook when we prepare all that we hunt, you know?
Okay.
So we get the ackee already, so when we hunt the rest of stuff, we're gonna know what we're gonna put together.
Okay.
But we are on the first step of getting the ackee prepared, you know?
Yeah. Alright. So my lovely viewers, this morning he made some soursop leaf mint tea. Yeah. Right here. Wow, the pot hot. Pot cover hot. So this is it right there. Soursop leaf and mint. And as usual, you know, we get a East Indian mango leaf. I don't know why I didn't take up that first and use it to take off the pot cover. So right there. Yeah. Go right back up. It's not East Indian mango leaf, but you notice we don't put it back on the direct fire. We just put it aside so that it doesn't boil out. You just keep it at a nice warm temperature. Yeah. So this is it, guys. Soursop leaf mint tea. No sugar, guys, no sugar, just the straight leaves. Say that the soursop leaf is good for your nerves. Yeah, nice and refreshing, guys. This is what I'm talking to you about. Rasta's move according to energy. So you see, Rasta is going breadfruit hunting right now. He just hunt the ackee and he's going to look for breadfruit. Don't joke about it. I wish I could go up there with you guys, but me, I'm not a good guy. So Rasta, you see breadfruit up there? There it is right there, guys. Rasta is putting together breakfast. Still not finalized yet what's going to be the final outcome or what we will have for breakfast. As you can see, breadfruit is being roasted right now on the fire. We got some cornmeal, flour dumpling in the pot. So Ras.
Ew.
So question. Are we doing roast breadfruit with ackee and saltfish or cooked food with ackee and saltfish?
Two of them.
Right. Guys, heard for yourself. Right.
Yeah.
Cutting up the pumpkin right there. Yeah. That's a pumpkin right there. Rust. Why when you cook it, you put banana skin in the pot?
Take away the stain from the pot, you know?
Okay.
You make the banana stain up the pot.
Okay.
Pot stay clean, the pot not get black.
Okay.
Banana carry stain.
Okay.
So if you don't want the dumpling them look stainy,
Yeah.
and the breadfruit and the pumpkin, you want the pot look clean, you put a piece of banana skin there to keep the pot clean.
Wow.
Keep down the stain, you know?
Okay. Pumpkin, banana, dumpling. Yep. Okay. While that is bubbling up, I'm eating my blue dry. So guys, look at this. So, pumpkin, banana, dumpling and breadfruit. Cook. Saltfish are bubbling in the pot right here. And Rasta is adding the ackee in the pot. This right here is the crocus bag of wood that Rasta are using in his kitchen. Yeah. seasoning right here. He's gonna use to fry up the saltfish root. With a little tar and our Kool-Aid mix and a lemon, lime to make some juice. Got the black pepper right here to put on the ackee and saltfish. Yeah. So what are you doing now, Rasta?
So Jamie ackee done cook.
And what type of ackee you say don't play again?
Butter ackee. So through the easier cooking on it and then water and because they poco. Now go look presentable in a plate, you see me? They would say yaki.
So these are butter ackee variety. So you don't leave them on the fire for it.
I just want hot water pan. We deal with health in our kitchen. We not just cook, we deal with health cooking.
This one got a little piece of coconut in there. When it burns, oh, the burnt coconut smell nice. Yeah, there we go. That is it, guys. That is it. Yeah. So you do now, Rasta?
Juice the milk, juice in the coconut. Naturally, because we don't use blender, we grate it, then juice it to get the real milk out of it much better, you know.
Okay.
But most people don't have the time for the grater. They go the faster way because the blender fast.
Yes.
So we got the energy for the grater, so we just grate it. Even 5, 25, 35 coconut a day, we just love to grate the coconut because it's natural. Okay. And we don't lazy to look about our health, you know.
Okay.
So this is our coconut milk. Rich and nice and healthy.
Nice. That's the teapot, guys. Coconut milk in the teapot. Right? The teapot is always on the fire. The teapot is always on the fire. But as you notice, just had some coconut milk in there, soursop and mint leaf in there. Yeah. So right now, what he's gonna do, guys, look at this. Add the coconut. Add the coconut milk right there, guys. Wow. Yeah. The fire is separating the water from the coconut milk. So guys, Rasta just had the seasoning on the saltfish in the coconut milk. If I'm not mistaken, you just put in a little curry in there too, right? Yeah, little okay. So you have a little curry in there, right? We're gonna have it in the ackee right now, guys.
Ackee and saltfish run down.
Ackee and saltfish run down. Nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Really turn on the stove.
Like you turn on. No chica and coconut no burn up, you know.
Okay.
So all the last finishing and a little bit of black pepper, because Jamaica and I little black pepper on me, okay.
you see what I am seeing? Do you see that? Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Guys, breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready, guys. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Breakfast is ready. Unbelievable. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. So guys, breakfast is ready. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at this epic breakfast experience coming from Rasta's kitchen. Yes, epic viewers and subscribers. So look at this. Look at this right here. Breakfast is served. So right now, guys, I'm gonna check out this breakfast cause the chamber is empty. I'll try ackee and saltfish rundown. Frost, you were really right about the ackee, man. They really taste like butter, man. Butter ackee, guys. Banana. So nice cauliflower dumpling. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at this. Boxers all day, guys. Boxers all day. Can't have it no better than this. In nature. Underneath the shade of the breadfruit and mango tree. Eating ackee and saltfish rundown. Cauliflower dumpling, pumpkin, boiled breadfruit, banana. And I had a blue jar this morning. Rasta is right now cutting up the roast breadfruit. He's gonna bring me a slice. Can't have it no better than this. Chilling out in my boxers. Beautiful, guys. Stay tuned, guys. Don't go nowhere. Look at it. Look at this. That is the breadfruit right there. Look at that. Look. It sounds like the chopper coming. Like they heard about Rasta's kitchen, so they coming to check it out. Yeah. Guys, we had to cut the video because there was a JD helicopter hovering very low. I don't know what they were looking for, so just, you know, for safety and precaution, we just cut the video and observe what was going on. We don't know if they were searching for somebody, but they were mighty low, hovering over the location where we were filming a video. So sorry about that, guys. All right, you have yourself a good one. Bye bye. We're going downstairs.